like men.
Cut to the next beat.
Hey guys, so I just woke up and today is my prom day.
DJI, please sponsor me.
Guys, wala pa akong nagagawa. Sabi nila dadating na sila ngayon. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I have. Hindi pa ako nakakaligo. I need to bring my brain. What's in my bag? It's DJI equipment. DJI, I told you, sponsor me! Okay guys, it's 9:39. They're gonna arrive at like 10, so I'm just gonna prepare and I'm gonna go back to you guys. Hindi naka-record. So yeah guys, they've arrived. My friend here at Janine will do my makeup and hair, as well as my other friend here, Tejas. Then after that, we change into our prom gowns, which I did not got to take a video of because we were running late.
You just gotta speed this up. Yep. No space in here.
Hi guys, I'm not really sure if you can hear me and I don't know. Hi guys, bake tayo. Ayun yung crush ni ate. Yun o, yun o.
Hi guys, so this is Samira Takeover. Yeah, we're here with Eugene, Thea.
Pagod na pagod yarn.
Yeah, that's all. Okay, baka daw ma-full storage na si Dera. I mean, wala naman akong pake kasi nagbe-video lang naman ako dito.
Ano to? Hello.
2 hours later.
Yeah. Guys, feel ko walang kumakausap sa akin. Kagawa na lang kakausapin ko ha. Magpasensyahan niyo na ako. Okay, tama na. Vlog ko to. Ay guys, tignan niyo wallpaper ko. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Oh my god, si Duyaw! Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Tyron Zakaria alias Barsatan and I like men.
No.
Mom, what is your opinion about the gender roles and society? Parang quiz. Nobody. Wala na. Full storage na. Wala na.
Hi guys, magdi-dessert lang kami para sa TNT.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to the Duyaw siblings! Sexy and free. You like to show you go.
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, is this gonna go viral? Hi guys! Welcome to Dera's vlog. Sa'yo ba to? Sa akin to eh. Sa'yo to? Ay, sa akin to. What are you ano yun? What are you looking for in a guy? Yes guys, so prom is... Sana mamaya may magtanong kay Dera. Do you want to free dance? Okay. Okay. Sino yung partner mo? Ay magiging akin. Dito maging luha pa. Huwag mo ilagay ito, ha? Galang lokohin. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Yeah! Very loyal, guys. Very loyal. I very like you, Saren Manawis. Wow! Guys, follow Micah.delcrz. MICA.delcrz. Follow her right now. Follow me right now. Don't like this video, dislike it. Let's interview this guy. Who do you find the most attractive here?
In prom.
If you don't know their name, just say the color of their dress.
Wait, blue.
Lalaki yun to, lalaki.
It's not a man, it's not a man.
Uwe, bakla ata to, guys.
Kago hindi.
Hi guys, ASMR.
So guys, after that interview, wala na po. Ito po si Arias.
So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed prom. I'm not enjoying. I'm kidding, I'm enjoying, guys. Are you enjoying prom?
So far, yeah. Yes.
Who will you miss this school year?
Si Sir Ramil. He's very gay. Yeah, like... Okay, so ayun lang. Sana ma-enjoy mo ang swimming pool sa Impierno.
Hindi, sana ma-enjoy mo yung collab life mo ngayon.
Si Oliver!
We will see you in the next video.